Hello electric family, you're watching Rider X, and on today's episode I'm showing you a small little modification that I did. It's not that big a deal, but it gave me space in my Ariel tank bag. Now it's my JBL Flip5 right here that I had actually inside my tank bag, but I didn't like it taking up space in there, so I went ahead and bought these RHINO grips 3.0 off Amazon, and they work perfect. You guys can tell me what you think. It does change the look of the bike a little bit, just because it hangs out, you know, underneath that seat there. But I couldn't think of a better place to put it. Now, if anybody has a better way of installing that, then go ahead and post. But for now, it's working for me, and I think it looks great. All right, talk to you guys later.